Hey there, everybody. I am way excited today. Happy Tuesday, 3/22/22. Don't you love those palindrome kind of days? I'm really excited. This is my first order from Nevermore Creations, Lindsay Zenor. I'm very excited, you guys, because these images are stellar. She puts these together herself. She has paper packs. There are all kinds of printables at her shop. I did not have a printer until last week. Chris bought us a printer. If you know my story about electronic things and mechanical things and how they tend to stop working when I am around them or when I try to use them, I don't know what it is. But anyway, so I had ordered this before we got the printer last week. I'm still not sure about printing colorful things on it simply because I don't want to run out of ink. I know that there's some sort of ink saver thing, but whatever. Lindsay prints these and sends them to you. Look at it. It's just beautiful. I think that is such a nice service to provide to people like me who do not have or don't have. Maybe I do have a printer. I don't have good luck with printers. Look at this. I'm so excited because these are the exact kind of images that I am using on my Victorian inspired tags that are over at my shop now. The paper quality is excellent. Look at that. Goodness me. I'll pull my order, y'all, so you will know what I ordered from Lindsay. The colors are outstanding. Oh, I'm so inspired. Look at the little geisha girl here. This is very Jane Austen. Love the black and white here. I can let you know what printables I ordered. The thing about Lindsay is she is so industrious. She's got a lot going on. She does paper pads. She makes journals. She sells journals over at Marketplace at, let's see, her website, and I'll put this in the description box below. Her website is nevermorecreations17.com. Oh, goodness. Look at the fish, the seashells, the squid. Oh, just outstanding, Miss Lindsay. Lindsay also has a line of sprays that she has created. So you can spray things. Oh my gosh! Look at that. Look at that lady with a guitar. I gotta tell you, when I ordered these, I was just not expecting them to be so astoundingly beautiful. Good gosh. Goodness, these gypsies are just remarkable. Look at that. Just swoon worthy, y'all. It's so beautiful. Lindsay, thank you so much for your time, your effort, your energy. If you've watched Lindsay's videos, she's so uplifting. She's so inspiring. She is so positive and energetic. I just really appreciate her passion. I appreciate her vibe. I appreciate, look at that. That is just really remarkable. These are going to fit perfectly in the new journal covers that I'm going to be debuting on Thursday. So you can grab a journal cover from me, grab some printables from Lindsay. Look at that. Today I saw the dragonfly come from the wells where he did lie. A living flash of light he flew. And that's Alfred Lord Tennyson. Oh my goodness, Miss Lindsay. Wow. She has just outdone herself. Go support Lindsay at nevermorecreations17.com. I'll leave all her information in the description box below. Go get you some love and luscious, gorgeous beauty. See y'all soon. Bye.